Do you dream of traveling the world while making money? Getting paid to explore new places isn't just for influencers. It's possible for anyone with the right strategy. In 2025, more people than ever are turning travel into a source of income through creative, flexible work opportunities. Whether you want to travel full-time or just fund occasional trips, here are 5 genius ways to earn while exploring. One of the most popular ways to get paid to travel is freelancing remotely. Skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, coding, and digital marketing allow you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide, so you can earn money while sipping coffee in Paris or relaxing on a beach in Bali. Many companies are also embracing remote work, meaning traditional 9-to-5 jobs are no longer tied to an office. With a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can work from hostels, co-working spaces, or even tropical islands while getting paid. Another smart way to earn while traveling is becoming a travel content creator. Blogging, vlogging, and social media can generate income through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and product sales. If you enjoy storytelling, sharing travel tips, or capturing stunning visuals, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok can turn your adventures into a profitable business. The key is consistency. Posting engaging content, using SEO strategies, and partnering with travel brands can turn your travels into a steady income stream. Many content creators also get free flights, hotels, and tours in exchange for promoting destinations. Teaching English or another skill abroad is another great way to fund your travels. Many countries hire English teachers, and you don't always need a degree, just a TEFL certification, which you can earn online. Online teaching platforms like VIPKid, Cambly, and iTalki allow you to teach students worldwide from your laptop. If teaching languages isn't your thing, offering workshops, yoga classes, personal training, or online coaching is another way to earn while moving between destinations. Working as a travel guide or tour operator is a fun way to make money while meeting people. Many travelers earn by leading specialized tours, whether it's food experiences, adventure excursions, or historical city walks. Websites like Airbnb Experiences and Tours by Locals let you create and sell unique travel activities in cities around the world. If you have expert knowledge of a destination, you can turn it into a thriving business by offering personalized travel experiences. For those who want to minimize expenses while traveling, house sitting and pet sitting provide free accommodation in exchange for taking care of someone's home or animals. Websites like TrustedHousesitters and Nomador connect travelers with homeowners who need reliable sitters. While this doesn't provide direct income, it eliminates the cost of hotels and rentals, allowing you to extend your travels for months without spending money on lodging. Some opportunities even include paid gigs if homeowners need extra services like gardening or maintenance. Another creative way to get paid while traveling is seasonal work and travel jobs. Many places hire temporary workers for hospitality, event management, cruise ships, or ski resorts. If you're open to short-term contracts, this can be a great way to make money while experiencing new places. Many of these jobs include free accommodation and meals, allowing you to save most of what you earn. Earning while traveling is more accessible than ever, and with the right approach, you can turn your passion for exploration into a sustainable income. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, teaching, guiding tours, house sitting, or seasonal work, the key is to start now. The sooner you take action, the faster you can experience financial freedom while exploring the world.